So imagine trying to push flawless 4K video from a server room to a screen that's like nearly 3 football fields away.
Yeah, standard copper wires is going to give you nothing but garbled static over that kind of distance.
Exactly. So today we're welcoming you to another deep dive, and we're looking at a spec sheet for a single product that solves this exact problem,
Right. It's the Celerity UFO-CABLE-900P.
which is literally a 900-foot-long universal fiber optic extension cable that currently costs over $800.
Yeah, it's definitely an investment.
Oh, okay. Let's unpack this. I mean, why would anyone ever need nearly 1,000 feet of TV cable?
Well, to really understand why this exists and, why it costs so much, we have to look at the limits of standard copper wires when you're transmitting high-end video.
Because copper physically fights you, right?
It really does. I mean, this Celerity cable handles 18 gigabits per second of data. That is the bandwidth you need for uncompressed 4K resolution at 60 hertz.
Wow, okay.
Yeah, and it supports HDMI 2.0 and DisplayPort 1.4. The problem with copper is that as distance increases, the electrical resistance just degrades the signal.
Right.
And worse, copper acts like an antenna. In a commercial building or a server room, you have immense electromagnetic interference, or EMI, from heavy machinery and power lines, which just corrupts that data stream.
Oh, I see. So sending 4K video over standard copper is kind of like trying to shout a really complex message down a chaotic, echoing 900-foot hallway.
That's a great way to put it, yeah.
The further your voice travels, the more the signal distorts, and the ambient noise at the building eventually just drowns it out completely.
Exactly. And that's why AV engineers usually rely on these complicated HDMI balloons to convert signals over Ethernet networks.
Just to cross those long distances.
Right. But by switching to fiber optic, you're essentially flashing that message instantly with a laser pointer. It completely bypasses all that active networking equipment.
It doesn't bounce around or pick up outside noise.
No, fiber optics solve both the distance and the interference problems entirely. It travels in a perfect straight line.
Okay, but I have to push back here for a second. It's one thing to have a 900-foot thread of literal glass, but actually installing it?
Yeah, that's the tricky part.
Right, because if I'm yanking this through drywall over structural steel around tight corners, isn't it just going to shatter?
Well, that is the core engineering challenge. You obviously can't just shove raw glass fiber into a wall.
Right.
So Celerity built this cable with a 60-pound pull strength and a super flexible 5 millimeter bend radius.
Oh, wow. So it can actually handle being fished through hidden conduits and all that physical abuse.
Exactly. Plus, it has a plenum-rated jacket, which means it meets strict fire safety codes for building installations. It won't release toxic smoke if the building catches fire.
That structural integrity makes a lot of sense.
Right.
But what about the plug? You can't fit a standard, bulky HDMI connector through narrow conduit pipes?
No, you can't. So they engineered this really clever detachable connector system.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the actual plug that you thread through the wall is tiny. Once you pull it through, you attach the final HDMI or DisplayPort adapter. It's a massive feat of microengineering.
Okay, here's where it gets really interesting, though. Fiber optic cables need power to convert the light back to a video signal. Do I need to plug this into a wall after running at 900 feet?
No, actually. It cleverly draws 5-volt power directly from the HDMI source component itself.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, there's even a little blue LED on it to confirm the power draw.
But what if the source device is too weak? Like it just doesn't put out enough juice?
If the source is too weak, there's a hardwired USB cable backup right there at the connector to draw external power. So you're covered either way.
Man, so this isn't just a cord at all. It's this highly engineered, interference-free optical pathway for massive AV distribution.
Exactly. It strips away the need for all those messy network adapters and repeaters.
It's just wild. And, considering we can now effortlessly push 18 gigabits of flawless 4K video nearly 1,000 feet using pure light, how might this ultra-efficient fiber optic technology eventually scale down and reshape the chaotic cord-tangled spaces in our own everyday lives?